How to earn more than 4,000 loss per month on YouTube with the help of artificial intelligence. How to easily edit videos. And a bonus answer to the question, what are the profitable niches for a YouTube channel in 2023? You will find all of this in this video. Before we start, I recommend liking, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell. Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how you can make money online using artificial intelligence. So let's go to the website. You'll find the link in the video description. Register, and then you'll see this window. Here, select YouTube Explainer. Choose the duration of your video. I'm going with 2 minutes. In the next line, enter the topic for your video. An artificial intelligence will generate the video based on it. For example, I'll use one of the most popular and profitable YouTube niches, which is health. So I write, Top 5 Healthy Morning Habits. Further down, provide more detailed instructions on what you want in your video. Let's say it will be narrated in a serious style, and we want detailed descriptions of each habit. In this line, choose the mood of the background music. Let's go with inspirational. Choose the gender of the voiceover, either male or female. I'll choose male. In this box, select the accent for the voice. I usually go with the default, which is American English. Here, add any text you want to overlay on the video. In the last section, choose Do Not Use Stock Footage. Then click Continue. Review all the information you've entered. If everything looks good, just click Generate Video. Wait for the video to be generated. Now you can specify your target audience. Select the platform for uploading to YouTube. Click Continue and wait for the video generation to complete. The video has been generated. Let's try it. Open it.
Do you want to start your day right? Of course you do. So, here are 5 morning habits that can help you do just that. Imagine greeting each day with vitality and purpose. These habits could be your game changer. Stick around to learn about these habits that could revolutionize your mornings. First off, hydrate. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps to kickstart your metabolism.
This is what the video generated by the neural network looks like. It's quite satisfactory. I want to mention that you can edit it as well. Click Edit. Here, you have the option to adjust the text and also replace one or more video clips. To do that, click Upload, choose the segment you want to replace, and drag it to the video where you want it. Afterward, click Export. Choose the maximum quality available, which is Full HD 1080p in the free version. Below, choose to remove the watermark. The next step in the free version is agreeing to the standard branding, and then click Continue. Download it. Let's open it.
Do you want to start your day right? Of course you do. So, here are 5 morning habits that can help you do just that. Imagine greeting each day with
It looks pretty good. Now, you'll need to remove the watermark and the end screen with advertising. I will do this in the CapCut program, but you can use any other software. Import the video. And place it on the timeline. Now, slightly zoom in to remove the advertising overlay.
Do you want to start your day right? Of course you do. So, here are 5 morning habits that can help you do just that. Imagine greeting each day with vitality and purpose. These habits could be your game changer. Stick around to learn about these habits that could revolutionize your mornings. First off, hydrate. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps to kickstart your metabolism. It's like oil for your body's engine, aiding digestion and promoting overall.
Now, all that's left is to trim the end to remove the advertisement. Move the cursor to the very end of the video and shift it to the left. And that's it. Our video is ready. This way, we've completely removed all the post-generation advertisements. You can upload it and earn big money with the help of neural networks. Oh, and I didn't forget the bonus. I'll now show you the top 10 profitable niches for YouTube. Education and interesting facts. Comedy and entertainment. News reviews. Finance. Cooking. Travel. Unboxing. Fashion and beauty. Psychology and relationships. Construction and home improvement. I hope this video was helpful for you, so please support it by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Also, check out our recommended videos, such as how to use ChatGPT 4 for free.